Hi everyone. Welcome to Information Technology channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you or show you of how to hide SSID or Wi-Fi name on your Mikrotik router. This is very easy and quick, friends. Now let's start. Log into your Mikrotik router via Winbox or web. Once already logged in, select wireless option. Once you are here, you can now hide your SSID or Wi-Fi name of your Mikrotik router. Tick the checkbox. Then click Apply. That's it of how to hide SSID or Wi-Fi name in Mikrotik router.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.